Think luxury, think Wedding Asia. Great design has two innate things, simplicity and clarity. This is what Wedding Asia brings in the wedding collection. It is a one-stop platform for everything which a modern bride would want on her big day. And at the same time, it preserves the traditions of generations. Welcome to Seeing Online. So let us take a look at the collection of Wedding Asia, which is there, and a lot of visitors. Let us talk to the visitors and talk about their preferences and likes about the ethnic wear. Come, are you excited? I am excited. When you buy the things, तो सबसे पहले you look for the quality या you look for the design?
Quality with designs. Quality bhi and designs.
First attraction is design, then we go for then how it is and it's good or not.
Okay.
First of all, it's design that's attract to us, no? That's why.
I look for both design as well as quality. It should be high quality as well as good designs.
You go for the exhibitions की fashion designers के हिसाब से you go for the trends, or you get that impact from the Bollywood celebrity or that stuff?
First of all, only Bollywood celebrity.
Okay.
It's
Like who's your inspiration, from where you get that?
like Deepika Padukone.
Okay.
Yeah, and Shilpa Shetty.
Okay.
See, I follow designers, maximum designers online. अब आजकल तो इंस्टा पे ये है कि हर किसी की प्रोफाइल बनी है. So we keep on following all the designers, whatever new is coming, whatever good is coming.
So what do you prefer, shiny or embroidery?
I like little shine, and it should be good embroidery, fine embroidery, good quality, and neat embroidery.
It just depend on occasion for what we are depending, no?
When you think about the different designs related to the fashion, so how do you come to know about the people's choice?
The trend changes according to the designing and all the concepts. It's a designers basically who create them. So once we last year it was like the fashion of like more Zardozi work and more antique and all that. Now the people wanted more blinky because they've worn lots of dull concepts. So we just introduced the blink concept for each and every designing and all that. And that goes to every city. It's not only particularly for one city. That design goes to every city and people just start liking them. Nowadays pearls are more in, sequins are more in, then kardana, like more shiny materials are more in basically. And last year the trend was like more antique, more traditional. That was the trend. So, yeah.
So like in today's collection, what is more which people they are liking?
They're liking pearls, they're liking the new concept of the material, like shiny concept like that actually. Yeah.
So when we talk about the design or when we talk about the quality, so what do you prefer most? That you want कि जो designs है वो ज़्यादा होने चाहिए so that people can buy, can get more attract to that.
Like we make all the things. We make like a pet line which is like more wearable to the people, and we make like the designer cuts which is more young. The young girls can carry it very well actually, and yeah, for the ladies like above 30, 35, 40, they can carry out more long gowns and all that. So we make lots of designing to cater all the things because people want different choices nowadays. Yeah. So that's the way.
Okay. Yeah. So when we talk about the girls and we talk about the married women, so उसके लिए आपको बहुत different designing करनी पड़ती है कि married women के लिए अलग, क्योंकि उनकी choices अलग हो जाती हैं, तो ऐसा कुछ?
I think it's a figure basically, and not the married or the unmarried, because some ladies are really beautiful after weddings also, and they can carry it very well. All the beautiful cuts and all the skimpy cuts too, and some of them doesn't know how to carry it well. So that depends. So we make all the collection, and whatever suits them well, they just buy it from us. Yeah. So we make all kind of cuts like capes, then short crop tops with long gowns, the off shoulders, then dhoti shalwar, dhoti cowl shirts are more in. So it's wearable for everybody actually. Yeah.
So when people look for the the dresses, they also look for the jewelry, which is the must. So what is in trend? They look for the gold or they look for the designs?
To be honest, we're mainly into designer jewelry. So we have Polki and Diamond with us, and our forte is making new designs. And every 3 months, every 4 months, we target for making like new designs, completely new from the market. The designs which we have right now, like you can see, is like completely different, more of designer pieces. And we have a lot of variety in Polki and Kundan. We specialize in Polki and all latest designs with latest trends. So you can see all our collection here. We have all Meenakari stuff, open setting, Jadao jewelry. So whatever people are looking for, we have all the collection with us.
Okay. So how do you come to know about the people's choice? What they really like in the jewelry?
To be honest, our forte is into designing. So we have a lot of designers who work for us. So we generally, explain our customers. We give complete attention, personal attention to each and every customer and explain them. This is what is in trend. This is like upcoming designs which are there in the market. So we tell them, this is upcoming, so you should go for these kind of designs and these kind of jewelry. Yeah.
So like our viewers would definitely want to know the trend which is going in the jewelry. So what is the ongoing trend which is going?
To be honest, this is Polki. This is all Talaf work, which is completely new, and this is completely fresh in the market. So you won't find much of designs nowadays, but this is like completely new design, and we are focusing more on this rather than the old trends like Meenakari work or typical Jadao work. So we are not focusing more on those. This is like something new which we are focusing on. Yeah.
So people also like to customize with the jewelry, like they want their own designs to be made. So do you also make that?
Yes, so we have everything in-house. We are mainly into wholesale, we're mainly into retail. So we have a lot of karigars who work under us. We almost have like 100 karigars who are working for us. So any changes, any customization a customer wants, we can get it done. So you can see all our designs, all our designer pieces. Something like these, it takes almost like 2.5 months to make these kind of pieces. And you generally don't find these kind of pieces in the market. So that's our forte. Yeah.
So one thing more, that people usually go for the lightweight or sometimes heavyweight. So what people more prefer, heavyweight jewelry or lightweight?
Entirely depends upon the budget, and we never compromise with the quality. According to the budget, we can customize the piece. If somebody is looking for a heavier jewelry, we can customize according to their taste. If someone is looking the same design in a lighter weight or in a lighter range, we can customize according to the budget. So that's our style here.
Firstly, think about the design. So what is the first thing which comes in your mind about the people's choice, what they are liking?
Will that be acceptable to them? Will that look good on them? What they want actually. So when we do exhibitions, we actually connect to people, what they like. We come to know and we design accordingly. So whether they will be comfortable, what we are designing for them, wearing it.
So in today's collection, what is the ongoing trend which is people are liking more?
The one I'm wearing.
Okay.
A plain shirt with a brocade skirt, you can say, even RC skirt, and if you wear a heavy junk jewelry with it, it looks really very nice. And then we have this piece of ours, which is a very hot selling piece. It goes really very well with palazzo pants and Georgette shirt.
So these are palazzo pants?
Yeah, these are. And the Georgette shirt with organza dupatta.
This is so good, so pretty.
Yeah, I know. These are one of the best selling product of ours. And then we have cotton range that is really very good.
Okay.
In this suit, we have brought ikat print into embroidery.
Okay.
So this is ikat print, and we brought that into embroidery.
So your collection is more about embroidery, or you also bring some shiny stuff in that?
Shiny stuff in that also. I have all the range. I have cottons, I have formals, I have semi-formals.
Okay.
So I have everything.
Okay. So people are liking more of the embroidery, or they're more of liking shiny stuff in the...
See, to each its own. Everybody has their preference. Even some people, they like to wear normal cotton suits in the reception or in the function, the family function. And some people, they like to wear heavy stuff. So it depends on that. And I sell all of them.
So when we talk about the designs, so आजकल हम देख रहे हैं कि जो trends हैं, people go for the Bollywood celebrities को follow कर रहे हैं, कहीं ना कहीं exhibitions में fashion designers को follow कर रहे हैं. So how do you get that thing कि हमें किस तरह की चीज़ बनानी है कि हम कैसे उनको the customers get totally satisfied with that thing, stuff, with the designs?
Actually, we find the middle path then. Apna designing part and what are they looking for. If they are following a Bollywood celebrity, we don't blindly follow that path. So we put our designing also in that. So that's why we are here. We are designers. We are creating things for them.
So people, they love jewelry. So they go for the designs, or they totally go for the gold.
Nowadays market is all about designs, all about latest trends, all about buying new stuff for new clothes, all the contrast jewelry. Nowadays, people are not about all budgets, not about money, not about purity of gold. They all know, they all trust us, and everybody is buying latest trends, which are all in the market running scenario today.
So what is the ongoing trend which is going on in the jewelry?
So I think nowadays Polki and big gold, heavy gold sets are in high demand and in a big trend. Big designers like Sabyasachi, like Rohit Bell, all their jewelries consist of Polki itself. So I think Polki is the biggest trend right now in India, and leading to our heritage jewelry as well.
Okay. So people also like love to wear lightweight jewelry sometimes.
Yeah.
And so what about the design? So do you design according to the people choice, like lightweight jewelry, or you only go for the heavyweight?
See, we are a segment in a wedding. We are in a wedding segment jewelry. Okay. So wedding segment consists of all the heavy jewelry itself. So we are also into lightweight jewelry, and we have different stores of that in Ambala itself. So that store only deals with the lightweight jewelry and better designs in that jewelry. So those customers are also catered by us, and those customers are catered at a very low rate and a very budget constrained rate. And this segment is all about wedding, all about new designs, all about exclusive stuff.
Okay, so customers are more liking Polki?
Yeah, customers are behind Polki nowadays, behind solitaires nowadays, because customers are getting aware about all these things. Once customers get to know that Polki is in trend, they come and they highly demand it. So it's going that way only. It's like always always in.
Okay. So you also customize the things like according to the people how they want. You design according to that also, or you just whatever the design you have made, they are just sold according to that.
Our USP is customization and heavy level customization. Okay. Even minute customization is also done by us, and it's already because we are a customer oriented market. We believe customer is God, so we want that customer should get all the privilege they can get.
Plan to design something, what is the first thing which you think about?
See, basically I frankly follow the trend, but yeah, sometimes, you know, I feel I experiment a lot, you know. I keep sample pieces in the exhibition, and then I see what people are liking. And when they like my things, I get that confident, and I just start manufacturing those designs, you know. So I have something like about fashion. I think I feel that in my blood, so I create so many creative designs, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, and obviously I follow the trend also.
Okay. So what is the ongoing trend?
Ongoing trend for me, like recently I've started this Garara patterns and all, and I'm using some nice imported fabrics also. Yeah. So yeah, I feel like it's all about your comfort. Trend, like every time people wear like shararas, gararas, lehengas. I mean, nowadays people are so fashionable, so they prefer to wear everything, you know.
Yes.
So there's nothing particular in trend right now. Yeah, it's just taste.
Okay. So it is more about the shiny stuff, or it's more about the embroidery?
Again, depends on the customer choice. Like few people they want to wear like very shiny and mirror work and stuff. So I have collections, something like that also. Okay. And then sometimes people like if you go to like Mumbai side and Pune side, so people prefer very subtle and sober colors and not too much work. But Punjab is obviously all about like colors, all about colors and bright shades and all. Yeah.
Okay. So when you design something, तो आप उसमें ज़्यादा you go for the lightweight stuff की light होना चाहिए, or like the girls or women they want some heavy stuff also for the wedding or.
See, so my forte is all about lightweight stuff. I don't have heavy. Yeah, okay. I don't keep. I keep like my collection is more of trousseau collection. Okay. So yeah, everything you feel like, even if it's a heavier piece, but it's very lightweight.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the color in trend in 2019?
See, I follow the pastel shades. So my collection, you will see most like I have all pastel shades. But yeah, it depends city to city. Like, but obviously North India side, like people prefer very bright shades. But my collection, you will see all pastel shades. Yeah.
Jewelry में लोगों को क्या ज़्यादा पसंद है? They go with the designs or they go with the gold, totally gold?
No, these days it's mostly the pastel colors which are in fashion. So they like to match their dresses along with, like, they bring their dresses and then they match the earrings or the complete sets along with their dresses.
So what's in trend?
Mainly the pastel shades along with the like hot pink and powder blue. These colors are really in, and peach.
So people are demanding more about the lightweight or about the heavyweight jewelry.
Mostly they look for heavy designs but in lightweight.
Okay. So like how you can show us something like
Yeah, I will just show you. Like, see these kind of pieces. This is for 2000.
Okay.
2000. See this kind of thing. Like this, it's a big piece, but it's very lightweight. So this is what people look for. These kind of things.
So they match with the outfits and
Yeah, they bring the outfits and then they match the earrings or the neck pieces, everything. Even the bracelets and bangles. And matha pattis and tikkas are also very much in. So they go for that also.
So how do you come to know about the people's choice? What they are looking for actually?
They come and ask us, and accordingly we suggest them what they want.
Okay. So whenever you plan a design, whenever you plan to make this thing, so what is the first thing which comes in your mind about?
First, it's like it depends on the person, the whole personality of the person. It's not that anybody can wear anything. So it has to go with your personality and your looks, everything. It matters a lot.
So you have a collection for all the different personalities.
Yeah, for everybody, whosoever comes here.
Whenever we think of buying something ethnic in Ambala, Sohan Fashions is where you can get a variety. Whenever you plan about designing something, what is the first thing which comes in your mind?
Like when we design, it's always the customer.
Okay.
We are always about the customer.
Okay.
It's not about the outfit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all about like who's wearing it, what she wants particularly. So we have all kinds of works. We have everything to offer. Like we can set a particular design. We can customize it. We can do like whatever you pick, whatever you show us, we can provide that. That is not a problem. We are actually into wholesale, so we are supplying like in North India right now. So basically, we have a very good relationship from years. Yeah, with everyone in the particular line of work. So we are basically into trading, right? Not this manufacturing part, but yes, due to well connected with all the cities, all the karigars, we can actually offer the product what a customer wants.
So अगर हम trend की बात करें, what is the ongoing trend which is going?
Ongoing trend is basically our simple motto is that we like to keep it traditional, right, with our bridal range. Yeah, but it's always like you can see the colors here, just highlighted. A cyan color, right? This is also coming up nice in a bridal range, right? We have a traditional range. Right? We have every kind of range, you know. So basically, just see this. This is also bridal wear now.
Okay. Yes. So people are looking for lightweight stuff, or for heavyweight also they prefer heavyweight?
It's always about the customer, as I told you prior. It's about what the customer needs. Whether she wants a traditional lehenga, whether she wants a designer lehenga, it's all here.
And what is the
we
color?
can offer everything.
What is the color in trend in 2019?
In 2019, pastel pale color charts are very in. English pale colors are very in bridal. But yeah, everyone, most of the customers we are linked with, they'd like to keep it traditional, like to go with colors like this hot pink, magenta, fuchsia, you know, these all. Except from the colors which are different, like the cyan color, ice blue color, these are also in demand. So it's vertically about the choice only. Yeah, if you talk about trends, then it's always about, you know, what the designers had. Like there are like main designers in India. Everyone tries to follow them. But yeah, what we can offer is totally different. Yeah.
So brides are also liking the pastel colors now, like they are experiencing with the colors also.
It depends on the bride. If she wants a hot pink color, we can't offer her the pastel color, right?
Yes.
So it's all about the day, you know, the D-Day, how she wants it. It's all about the customer, always. So we have a long range. It's not just about the lehengas or bridal. We have Indo-Westerns to offer. We have Narkalis to offer. We have casual wear also, like handworks, traditional works, suits, everything.
Okay. So it is more about shiny stuff that people are liking more, or embroidery more?
Yeah, it depends on the taste. Sometimes yes, shiny is very in. Sometimes the bling is very in. But yeah, a subtle taste is always there in mind. Yeah, it should be subtle also, it should be good also. So basically everyone needs to, you know, put themselves in, put their feelings inside the outfit. Now that is what we deliver.
So there are a lot of variety with you, and it's really good and really amazing. Thank you.
I love Wedding Asia.
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 I love Wedding Asia. I love Wedding Asia.
Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Sing Online.